The digital landscape is on the brink of a profound transformation. Imagine a world where software, as we know it, ceases to exist. Picture a future where intelligent agents powered by artificial intelligence handle our digital tasks. This is not science fiction, but a future envisioned by Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. His bold prediction suggests a paradigm shift, a move away from traditional software applications towards a new era dominated by AI. This is not merely a technological evolution, it's a fundamental change in how we interact with the digital realm. The implications are far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives from the way we work to how we consume entertainment. Just as the advent of the internet redefined the late 20th century, this AI revolution promises to reshape the 21st century and beyond. The question is, are we ready? To understand the magnitude of this shift, we must first grasp the current state of the digital world. Today, software as a service, or SaaS, reigns supreme. From streaming platforms like Netflix to project management tools like Asana, SaaS applications have permeated every facet of our personal and professional lives. These subscription-based services offer unparalleled convenience and accessibility. They have democratized access to powerful software, allowing businesses and individuals to leverage sophisticated tools without the burden of hefty upfront costs or complex installations. The ubiquitous nature of SaaS is a testament to its efficiency and user-friendliness. However, even empires fall. As innovative as SaaS has been, it is not without its limitations. The need to navigate different user interfaces, manage multiple subscriptions, and grapple with compatibility issues can be cumbersome. This is where AI agents, with their promise of seamless integration and intuitive operation, enter the scene. Could this be the beginning of the end for SaaS as we know it? Imagine interacting with your digital devices not through icons and menus, but through a conversational interface. Picture an AI agent that understands your needs and seamlessly executes tasks across different platforms. This is the potential of AI agents, to simplify our digital lives by acting as intermediaries between us and the vast sea of software applications. These AI agents are not merely glorified chatbots, they are sophisticated pieces of software powered by machine learning algorithms that allow them to learn from our behavior and anticipate our needs. They can access and process information from various sources, making connections and decisions that would take humans significantly longer. Think of it like having a personal assistant who can instantly book appointments, manage your emails, and even order groceries with just a voice command. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. But this is just the beginning. Section 4. A world without interfaces. The promise of seamless integration. One of the most compelling aspects of AI agents is their potential to eliminate the need for traditional user interfaces. Imagine a world where screens and keyboards are no longer the primary means of interaction. In a world powered by AI agents, we wouldn't need to navigate through a myriad of apps and windows. The clutter of multiple screens and the frustration of switching between different applications would be a thing of the past. Instead, we would simply interact with our agents, using natural language to convey our needs and desires. This would make technology feel more like an extension of our own thoughts and actions. Imagine a world where your AI agent books you the perfect holiday, considering your budget, preferences, and schedule, all without you having to lift a finger. It would be like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. This level of seamless integration would fundamentally change how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and accessible than ever before. Everyday tasks would become effortless, and our interactions with devices would be more fluid. This shift wouldn't just be about convenience. It would have profound implications for accessibility. Businesses would need to rethink their strategies to incorporate these intelligent agents. For individuals with disabilities who find traditional interfaces challenging, AI agents could be truly transformative, allowing them to interact with the digital world in ways never before imagined. This could open up new opportunities for inclusion and participation. The potential is vast, but so are the challenges. Developing such advanced AI systems requires addressing significant technical, ethical, and societal issues. The journey towards seamless integration is just beginning, and it promises to be an exciting one. Section 5. The potential perils of progress. Job security in the age of AI. As with any disruptive technology, the rise of AI agents comes with its share of concerns. These concerns are not just limited to the tech industry but span across various sectors, affecting millions of workers globally. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for job displacement. Many fear that AI could render certain roles obsolete, leading to widespread unemployment and economic instability. As AI agents become more sophisticated, they could automate tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job losses in various sectors. This includes not only manual labor but also white-collar jobs that involve data analysis, customer service, and even creative work. This is not a new phenomenon. The Industrial Revolution, for instance, saw machines replacing human labor in many industries. Throughout history, technological advancements have always led to shifts in the job market. Each wave of innovation has brought about both challenges and opportunities. However, the pace and scale of change this time around are unprecedented, and we need to be prepared for the social and economic implications. The rapid development of AI technology means that the job market could change almost overnight. Another concern is the increasing reliance on AI. As we integrate AI into more aspects of our lives, the line between human and machine capabilities becomes increasingly blurred. As we delegate more tasks to AI agents, we risk becoming overly dependent on them, potentially losing crucial skills and autonomy. This dependency could make us vulnerable to system failures and cyber attacks. Ensuring that humans remain in control and that AI serves to augment rather than replace human capabilities is paramount. This balance is crucial for maintaining both job security and the quality of work. The road ahead is not without its bumps, but the potential rewards are too great to ignore. By addressing these challenges head-on, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously. Section 6. Microsoft's Master Plan, a new frontier in AI-driven solutions. At the forefront of this AI revolution is Microsoft, a company that has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology and innovation. With its vast resources and technological prowess, Microsoft is uniquely positioned to lead the charge in developing and deploying AI agents. Their commitment to innovation is evident in their extensive research and development efforts. Nadella's vision extends beyond simply replacing SaaS applications. It's about creating a new paradigm for human-computer interaction. This vision includes making technology more intuitive and accessible for everyone. Microsoft's strategy involves integrating AI agents across its product ecosystem, ensuring that every device and service benefits from advanced AI capabilities. Section 7. A Brave New World, navigating the uncharted waters of AI. The transition to an AI-driven world is not a question of if, but when. As AI agents become more sophisticated and ubiquitous, they will fundamentally change how we live, work, and interact with technology. This is a future filled with both immense promise and potential challenges. It is our responsibility to ensure that this transition is a net positive for humanity. We need to address the ethical considerations, ensure job security, and promote responsible AI development. By embracing the potential of AI while mitigating its risks, we can create a future where technology empowers us all. The journey into the uncharted territory of AI has already begun. The decisions we make today will determine the course of our technological future. Let us proceed with both caution and optimism, for the fate of humanity may well depend on it.